Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best breakers and fuse accessories that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Breakers and Fuse Accessories. Blue Sea is a global leader in the design and manufacture of high-quality marine electrical components and systems engineered to provide performance, reliability and safety to boat owners worldwide. We carry nearly 400 different Blue Sea products here at Hodges Marine, ranging from the category's top seller, the 12-circuit Blue Sea 5026 Saint Blade Fuse Block. Number 10. Electricity Usage Monitor by Spartan Power Energy Watt Meter with 15A outlet. The Spartan Power SPPM 120 Digital Power Meter Electricity Usage Monitor with large LCD screen and yellow backlight supplies. Main features. Spartan has more power. Spartan Power has less than 2-year warranty. Number 9. Square D by Schneider Electric QO200 TRN-M60A Non-Fuse Disconnect. 6T a non-fuse disconnect non-metallic enclosure ideal for corrosive environments. Main features. Used to disconnect power to air conditioner equipment. Square D by Schneider Electric QO60 amp. Features a non-metallic. Number 8. Leviton 47605 to 28 watts SMC structured media enclosure with cover. Leviton's structured media enclosure provides a centralized hub for the distribution of all of the home's networking systems. Main features. Multiple knockouts on top and bottom. Can be surface mounted or recessed. Size 28-inch. Number 7. The Simple CO, 4 feet copper grounding rod, 3/8 of an inch diameter includes ground rod clamp. This high-quality ground rod is designed to ground your antenna, coaxial lines and other grounding applications. Main features. Easy to install. Quality assurance. Perfect option for grounding satellite dishes. Number 6. Fulton 110-volt single-phase on/off switch with large stop sign paddle for easy visibility. The whole idea of this switch is to make the power down process very quick. Main features. With this uniquely designed and easy, we have all been in a situation. Install the switch near or at hip level. Number 5. Kumon Electricity Usage Monitor Plug Power Meter Energy Watt Voltage Amps Meter. You can monitor which appliance costs the highest energy and how much your standby appliances cost. Main features. Overload protection. Large clear LCD display for easy reading. Electricity Usage Monitor. Number 4. P3 International P4460 kW Easy Electricity Usage Monitor. Now you can cut your energy costs and find out what appliances are actually. Main features. Built-in backup of accumulated information. Calculates cost and forecasts by week, month, and year. Built-in backup of accumulated information. Number 3. Digital Power Monitor Meter Usage Saving Energy Watt Amp Volt kWh Electricity. Wattage display 0W9999W. Main features. Connects to household appliance and assesses its efficiency. Large LCD counts consumption by the kilowatt hour. Checks the quality of power by monitoring voltage. Number 2. P3 P4400 kW Electricity Usage Monitor. Electricity bills are rising. Now you can cut down and find out what appliances are actually worth keeping plugged in simply. Main features. Features easy to read screen. Choose from the kilowatts 4 settings. Monitor your electrical usage by day. Number 1. PON EPN 2000 Plug-in Kilowatt Electricity Usage Monitor Electrical Power. This device adopts dedicated electricity metering chip in combination with a high-precision current sensor to monitor your electric equipment. Main features. Professional kilowatt meter. High-power watt meter. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.